What's up, guys? So let's discuss what happened in the market today with GameStop, AMC, and some other stocks, what my positions are, and how I made money even though GameStop was on a downtrend today. So these brokerages, they're still restricting us from purchasing shares of these companies. Robinhood, you were only able to purchase maybe one share of GameStop this morning. AMC, you can only purchase around 20 shares, but throughout the afternoon, they slowly increased this limit to a few more shares of GameStop and maybe 100 shares or so of AMC. So it seems like they're slowly lifting these restrictions, and the reason they're doing this is so these hedge funds have time to kind of like reposition the shorts, try to like have some breathing room. I definitely don't agree with what they're doing because they're purposely screwing over the retail investors who are trying to buy these stocks and make money. But anyways, let's hop into how I made money on GameStop, even though the stock was pretty red today. So for my previous video, we went over my positions on GameStop. I was selling cash secured puts at fairly low strikes, which in my opinion is pretty safe. So we can take a look at the $100 put that I opened on Friday. As we can see, I made around 300 bucks off of this put. So even though GameStop, let's take a look at GameStop. Even though GameStop had a complete bloodbath today, we can see that I did make some money off of these puts. That means people who are holding these puts, they actually lost money even though GameStop went down. This is because the premiums on GameStop are extremely high, and if there isn't a significant movement, like minus 50 or 60%, you're going to lose money because the implied volatility is just really high. Especially since I have some short expiration dates. If GameStop doesn't hit 100, 74, 34, 44, if it stays above my strikes, I gain the full profit. Otherwise, I would have to buy 100 shares at these strikes. With all the hype going around with GameStop, you can see people buying billboards, flying planes, advertising GameStop. I don't think that GameStop will hit these strikes, but anything could happen. Brokerages could restrict buying again. And I just think these strikes I picked are pretty safe. I chose some riskier ones, such as 100 and 74, but I also chose some safer ones, such as $34 and $44 strikes. At those price points, I think that would be a pretty good price to buy shares at, so I don't mind if it continues to drop. Let's take a look at AMC. That's another big one. I'm selling 10 cash secured puts of AMC expiring this week, this Friday, February 5th, at $5 strike. Initially, I collected around $500 premium. So far, it's bled out $340, and there is $160 left of premium to cash out on AMC before all the short squeezes. It rose to about $5. So if AMC goes below $5, I wouldn't mind purchasing 100 shares at this price point. I think just like GameStop, with all the hype going around it, all the short interests, I think that we will see AMC stay above $5, so it's a relatively safe strike. But these brokerages just need to lift these restrictions from buying, just so all the resale investors can pile in and drive the price up. So yeah, pretty green day for me in the market. I'm also selling a few other cash secured puts on American Airlines and Hillian. nothing special there. Just collecting some easy premiums at some low strikes. That's about it. Thanks for watching.